as Ashtalakshmi. These 8 states are gifted with natural beauty and abundant resources. They truly represent Goddess Lakshmi, embodiment of the multifaceted blessings of wealth, knowledge, strength and prosperity. Today, I am honored to speak about the transformative power of artificial intelligence and 5G in the northeastern region, including my state, Tripura. As we gather at the Northeast Investment Summit, I would like to congratulate the Ministry of Development of Northeastern region for organizing this important event. While 5G can transmit information quickly and at low latency, AI minimizes operational complexity by using efficient algorithms to automate a wide range of processes, meaning more speed, efficiency and cost saving. It is a symbiotic relationship between 5G and AI. As AI expands, the cost of connectivity continues to decline. The convergence of 5G and AI is not just about speed, it is going to cater the demands of next generation activities. The powerful combination of 5G and AI means greater innovation opportunities and some very interesting applications. Deploying AI application at the age with 5G brings opportunities across industries, including smart manufacturing, smart cities, media, retail logistics, automated warehouses, agriculture, healthcare, education, tourism, heritage conservation, disaster management, good governance, through commercial growth, rescue operation, thermal imaging, aerial inspection, surveys, tracking and more. By embracing AI and 5G, we can unlock new avenues for growth, innovation and prosperity. 5G technology is not just an evolution of mobile network. It is a revolutionary enabler of socio-economic transformation. With the data transmission speeds of up to 10 gigabytes per second and latency of under 1 millisecond, 5G can support over 1 million devices per square kilometer, opening up a new possibilities for our region. There are several applications based on AI and 5G in the real world, which can be harnessed by all the northeastern states in the field of precision agriculture, where AI-powered weather alerts and IoT-enabled soil sensors can increase crop yields by 50 to 20%, ensuring food security and rural prosperity. In the field of cultural and creative economy, where 5G can empower artisans to showcase their products in immersive virtual store fronts and 3D marketplaces, benefiting 7 lakh artisans in the northeastern region. In the field of education, where 5G enabled classrooms can deliver real-time interactive education, breaking geographical barriers and improving learning outcomes. In the field of healthcare, where AI-powered telemedicine platform can analyze patient vitals, medical history, and radiology scans in real time, providing accurate preliminary diagnosis. Imagine medical student immerse virtual reality environment, experiencing surgeries as if they were present. You know, I am a maxillofacial surgeon. We never had this kind of facilities. Now I think the students, how they are getting these facilities because of this AI with 5G. I am pleased to announce that Tripura has made significant progress in 5G deployment, with all towns and 583 villages already connected. The state of Tripura has also framed policies to support telecom infrastructure development, including the Information Technology Policy 2022 and Data Center Policy 2021. Government of Tripura has allocated land for data centers, including one to Airtel for entire eastern and northeast India in Agartala. Recently, the government of Tripura organized a workshop on AI for good governance, driving transparency, efficiency and impact, in collaboration with the National E-Governance Division and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. The workshop highlighted the potential of AI in governance, including enhancing decision making, where AI can analyze vast amounts of data, providing insights that can inform policy decisions, including improving service delivery, where AI-powered chatbots can provide citizens with quick and efficient access to public services, including promoting transparency and efficiency, where AI can automate routine tasks, freeing up resources for more critical tasks. The state of Tripura has implemented paperless administration, reducing the time required to dispose of files from 9 days to 3 days and saving over ₹50 crore per year. This digital transformation has enhanced transparency, efficiency and accountability in our administration. As we move forward, we plan to leverage AI and 5G to drive growth, innovation and prosperity in all northeastern states so as to develop dedicated infrastructure to support AI and 5G development, introduce single window digital platform to simplify access to public services through a digital interface, launch department specific AI pilot projects to demonstrate the potential of AI in various departments. As we embark on this technological journey, I urge all stakeholders to prioritize digital literacy, equip our youth and future skills, and build inclusive infrastructure. By working together, we can shape a future where AI and 5G shall drive growth, innovation and prosperity for all the states of the Rashtra-Lakshmi. Last but not the least, I would like to invite all the investors, industry and business leaders to invest in all potential sectors of northeastern states, especially in Tripura. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Can we have a huge round of applause and thank Honorable CM for his address? और अब मैं हमारे इस सेशन के मॉडरेटर श्री रंजीत गोस्वामी जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी ग्लोबल हेड अफेयर्स TCS की वो सभी के लिए जो वेलकम एड्रेस है और मॉडरेशन है उसकी शुरुआत करें.